Well, I'm now at Pont y Pair in Betws y Coed, and you can see the Afon Llugwy, the river Llugwy, behind me in full flow. When you visit Betws y Coed, have a walk up through the woodland, and there's a path that goes along the river Llugwy, and it goes up towards the area of Ewynol or Swallow Falls. This bridge, Pont y Pair, you can see it has several arches spanning the rocks and the fast flow of the river here in Betws. The bridge is thought to have been built in the 1500s by Hywel Saer-Maen, and Saer-Maen actually means stonemason. Very common for us in Wales to know people by either their trade or the name of the farm that they live on. So Hywel Saer-Maen, Hywel the stonemason. I don't think I'll ever get home today. I keep stopping to appreciate these lovely views that we've got. So I'm going to try and say goodbye again now. Da bo chi.